Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the importance of inorganic pharmaceuticals. Inorganic pharmaceuticals are useful in any of the following way. For therapeutic purpose, example is the astringent antimicrobials, as the pharmaceutical aids bentonite talc to change the reaction of the body fluid either by acidifier or alkalizer. Examples the antacids alkalized, replacing the normal content of body fluid. Examples the sodium, potassium, calcium as reagent to carry out the reaction. Examples is the catalyst platinum nickels oxidizing and a reducing agent. In pharmaceutical analysis, there are the titrants such as the potassium permanganate EDTA. Introduction to Pharmacopoeia. Pharmacopoeia is the word derived from the ancient Greek word pharmakon and means the drug, and the on is the to make, and it is the legally binding collections prepared by the national or the regional authority and contain the list of medicine substance, crude drug and formula for making preparations from them. The pharmacopoeia contain the list of drug and other related substances, sources, description, test formulas for preparation section, uses, and the dose. Classification of compendia. Drug drug compendia are classified as official compendia. There are the complications of the drug and other related substance which are recognized in legal standard for purity, quality, and the strength of the government agency of the respective country of the origin. Examples is the British Pharmacopoeia and British Pharmacopoeial Codex BPC, Indian Pharmacopoeia, and the United States Pharmacopoeia National Formulary NF. Non-official is the book other than the official drug compendia which is used in the secondary reference. Content of the pharmacopoeia: general notice, general information of pharmacopoeia and editor and their additions, monograph, drug name, synonym, category, chemical structure and IPC name, description, stability, melting point, boiling point and identification test, impurity test and packaging, storage condition. Appendices, the apparatus, there are the apparatus used for the testing. In today's class, I discuss about the content of classification of pharmacopoeia, importance of inorganic pharmaceuticals. Thank you.